All right, welcome to the 3.1, 3.2 quiz review. Let's begin. For the first question, I need you to solve for the unknown side length. So please take a moment and try this question on your own, and then we'll put the answer up. All right, so here the equation's already set up, so we just have to cross multiply and divide. 12 times sine 81 is 11.8522, etc. equals sine 70 times x is sine 70x. Then to isolate the x, we're going to divide both sides by sine 70. And the answer rounded to the nearest tenth is 12.6. So the first one is 12.6. Okay, I'll help you in a minute. Let's just get through these other ones. Just make note of that. Question 2 is solve for the unknown angle measure. So here I need you to find the measure of angle A. Please and thank you. No, it's a sine 67. Oh. Hmm? Oh, that's fine. I can move on. All right, I'm going to start working it out as you finish up. Step 1, cross multiply. Sine A times 20 is sine A 20 or 20 sine A. It doesn't really matter where you put the 20. 14 times sine 67 is 12.887, etc. Now we have to get A by itself, so we have to divide both sides by 20. So now I've got sine A equals 0.644. It goes on, but that's all I'll write down for now. Now we need to find the angle of A, so we're going to have to use sine to the minus 1. Second function, sine. Around to the nearest degree is 40 degrees for A. Okay. Once again, cross multiplied, like we always do at the start, and we divided both sides by 20. That got us to sine A equals 0.644. Obviously, 0.644 is not the measure of our angle. So whenever you're trying to find the angle, you have to go sine to the minus 1. We do that. Round to the nearest angle is 40 degrees. Okay, let's try 2 more. Here I need you to solve the following triangle. Okay, so I need every angle and every side length, please and thank you. All right, we'll start working this out. The first thing to find is the missing angle. That's 180 minus 60 minus 75. It's 45 degrees. Now, to solve for side lengths of A and C, we have our angle side pair. So, we have our angle side pair right here. We're going to use that to solve for A, side length A and side length C. So I'm going to set them both up at the same time. 14 over sine 75, that's our known angle side pair, equals A over sine 60. Down below, 14 over sine 75, once again, equals C over sine 45. The method for solving them is the same. We're going to cross multiply and divide. Calculator. 14 times sine of 60 is 12.124 equals sine 75A. So we're going to divide by sine 75 to both sides. A equals 12.55, which around the nearest tenth would be 12.6. Same thing down here. 14 times sine 45 would be 9.899 equals sine 75c. Divide both sides by sine 75. C equals 10.248. We'll just leave it 10.2. So our completed triangle should have 12.6 for A, 10.2 for C, and then our missing angle as well. Final question. For this one's a little different. I need you to find me the perimeter of this triangle. Okay? So remember, the perimeter is the distance all the way around the outside. You're going to have to find me all three side lengths and add them together. Okay? So I'll give you a couple minutes to get started on that one. Right, the first thing that I would find on this question is the missing angle. So I would go 180 minus 88 minus 43. Missing angle is 49. Now we have our angle side pair. We can use that to find the missing side lengths for A and C. We're going to go 21 over sine 49 equals C over sine 43. And then again, 21 over sine 49 equals A over sine 88. Cross multiply and divide on both. 21 times 43 sine equals 14.321 equals sine 49c. Divide both sides by sine 49. $18.97, which will round up to 19. And then for A, 21 times sine 88 is 20.987. A times sine 49, sine 49A. Divide both sides by sine 49. A is 27.8. Now to find the perimeter, we're going to add up 27.8 plus 19 plus 21. Total brings us to 67.8 as the perimeter of this triangle. All right, that brings us to the end of today's review. Now you're ready to write the 3.1, 3.2 quiz. Thank you. Have a good day.